Thanks for joining me. Now, large swaths of India viewers continue to endure a punishing heat wave, with temperatures breaching the 45 degrees Celsius mark in numerous territories. The relentless weather has forced the India Meteorological Department to issue critical red and orange alerts for several states, prompting an immediate call to action. In response, municipal corporations, healthcare facilities and regional administrations have aggressively scaled up their infrastructure to manage a surge in heat-related medical emergencies. Scorching conditions, severe water deficits and blistering winds have disrupted daily life across Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Telangana and Gujarat. Medical professionals have issued urgent advisories asking people to remain indoors during peak afternoon hours and maintain high fluid intake. Meanwhile, my colleague Brian Thomas has a walkthrough for us from Delhi as the heat wave grips the capital city. Let's take a look.
The national capital right now is struggling with a very intense heat wave at this point of time, where the temperatures are soaring up to 45 degrees and the lowest going to 30 degrees itself. We are at India Gate. Let me show you the visuals of the fact what it's looking like. This temperature here is 40 to 45 degrees Celsius itself, and it's going till 45 to 46 as well. And this situation is extremely heightened. The temperatures are soaring high, and an orange alert has been issued by the IMD in Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, and clearly even to the fact that because of this, people are facing major health problems, major health risks in terms of the heat wave that is being, that is pretty evident and pretty seeing also among people during this very major heat wave. Where we are, this is very India Gate also, you can still see a number of people, tourists who come here. Even till now, it has also been issued to the fact that there would be 5 to 6 days of more heat wave that would be prevalent in the national capital itself, and even though to the fact that people will be facing a lot of problems like heat strokes would be very evident itself, and many such advisories are also being issued to the fact, so one should not be going out at this dire heat wave because the temperatures will be increasing. Even to the fact that 2 days back, Delhi saw the hottest day and hottest night itself in 14 years. So you can actually understand what the situation looks like from where we are standing at this point of time. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing off with camera person Deepak for NewsX, Delhi.